Hey guys, welcome to the Introduction to Drumming course, where I'm going to teach you step by step exactly how to play and learn the drums from zero knowledge. My name is George and I'm going to take you through this course. So guys, I've been playing drums for the past 15 years, and over them years I have learned a lot about drumming. I played all over the UK, I played in various different venues, in music recording studios, and I've also played at some of the world's biggest festivals. So guys, the actual reason why I came up with this course in the first place, and why I wanted to put a course out there, is because after all the years of studying that I've done, and I've been to university, I paid thousands and thousands of pounds in tuition fees, and it really came quite clear to me recently what is actually needed and what are the most fundamental, concrete things that you need to have down in order to learn the drums. And for me, it came to a realisation, the fact that you just need to be really consistent and passionate about it. As long as you've got them two elements, you'll be able to teach yourself anything you want. So I'm going to give you the systems and the exercises and the techniques for you to learn, but then what you need to do is just take this stuff away and be consistent. And really understand that this stuff does take time. There's no overnight success for this stuff. You do need to learn this stuff and just keep on playing to improve and improve. What I'm going to teach you, you should be able to learn within the lesson itself, or especially within the next few days. It's really simple stuff. Doesn't mean it's easy, but it's simple to learn. I'm going to teach you in a very simple way as well, so I can get it across to absolutely everybody. But the thing is, unless you do not practice this stuff in your own time and work on it, you aren't going to see huge results in the future. Alright guys, so in theory, I have designed this course to teach people drumming in a fast way. Something that doesn't require spending hours and hours just to learn your first sort of basic stuff. We just jump straight into it, we get you playing straight away. So what you're going to learn by the end of this course, guys, is you're going to be able to play a few different drum beats. You're going to be able to play a drum fill. I'm going to teach you how you can keep on progressing in your own time, and also the basic counting for drumming. The method in which I'm going to teach you guys drumming is quite to the point and basic. After studying for so many years, like I say, I find that it's so overcomplicated, the whole learning strategies with drumming especially. You know, when you start mentioning notes all the time and different musical forms, everything just becomes a little bit overwhelming and it's too much information for us to take on. What the best way to do in the way that I learned was just to start getting on that drum kit and just start playing. I actually pulled a drum kit from the ceiling of this room that I'm in today in my home studio when I was over 15 years ago, and I pulled the kit down and I just set it up and I started playing and I taught myself. I wasn't overwhelmed by too much information and it was great, and it just allowed me to really enjoy the playing. Again, it's something that's massively important, is that you can enjoy yourself when you're playing the drums. Otherwise, what's the point in playing anyway? As well as just teaching you all this stuff in the course as well, I will be throwing in quite a lot of tips and tricks throughout the lessons, so just keep your ears open for them as well. So the ideal person for this course is someone who is a complete beginner drummer. Or if you have been playing drums in the past and you want to get back into it, or you want to brush up on your skills. So I want to take you guys from very little knowledge to actually be able to play some drum beats, drum fills, play along to music, and I think that'd be a great outcome for you. There are obviously no requirements for this course. This course, obviously you need a drum kit and a pair of drumsticks, that is it. So there's no requirements in terms of knowledge or anything like that. So if you've not actually got a drum kit as well, guys, don't worry. There is another course that I put together which actually teaches you all the coordination skills needed to play the drum kit. So it's a very similar course to this one, except it's all off the kit. The good thing about it is that you can come onto the kit once you've learned the coordination skills and start playing straight away. So feel free to go through the course description and get enrolled on this course, guys. I really look forward to seeing you in there. Any questions, please fire away. I look forward to hearing from you.